Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair headband wig for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. So with HerGivenHair, I did that review on the Coily one it's been a month now, and that is one of my most popular videos of all time on my channel. It's like top 5. So shout out to you guys for supporting that. If you are tired of the headband reviews, you're just gonna have to take a back seat, because obviously there are a lot of people that, you know, enjoy them, and I am one of those people who genuinely enjoy this trend. So I'm bringing you guys another kinky curly wig from HerGivenHair, and this time it's the same texture as the one I reviewed last month, but it is ombre. So it has this dark root, and then it fades into like this number 30 kind of color. It has been washed. I washed it a few days ago, and it's been air drying. So it's been air drying for about 3 days, 2 or 3 days. So yes. So with HerGivenHair, right out the bat, if you see HerGivenHair in the title of the video, it is going to be expensive. They're known for mastering the kinky curly textures, but they are on the higher end of the spectrum with the wigs that I review. I have a price point for everybody on my channel, so before you go ahead and type down below and start complaining about the prices, make sure you are supporting the more affordable options that I put on my channel as well. I do have a headband wig playlist for you guys that features all price points, so if this doesn't work for you, I do probably have a alternative for you that's less expensive on that playlist. So check it out before you complain, okay? This is thick. She is thick. Super thick, which is perfect for this time of year. I've been reviewing a lot of kinky curly headband wigs, and I have to say that is my preference, because I'm gonna have a body wave human hair headband wig coming up. This trend is already super easy, and the only prep work I'm not gonna say the kinky curly wigs are like low maintenance, because you do have to do some prep work with them to achieve the curl that you want, and that's why I washed it ahead of time. So if you wash it ahead of time, it's not that big of a deal, but if you want to change the curl pattern the day of, you're gonna have to put some work into it. So we're gonna go ahead and try this on. I do have my wig grip on, and if you are new to wigs, wig grips are in existence so you can protect your edges as well as prevent your wig from sliding. So with half wigs, headband wigs, you tend to have to use the combs unless you have a wig grip. But I've been using a wig grip more often with my headband wigs and half wigs, so I don't have any issues with my edges thinning out, because I've worked real hard to keep these edges all these years with reviewing all these wigs. So I want to keep them. And if you want to keep them, get you a wig grip. I'll have a direct link to where you can purchase one down in the description box. It will be an affiliate link from Amazon. So let's go ahead and put her on. And you can get different lengths. So with my specs, this wig is $400. It is expensive with my specs. But if you want something that's less expensive and less big, just go with a shorter length and it's going to be less expensive. We do have a sale going on. If you are intimidated by volume, this ain't the one for you, because she is going to give it to you. And I'm not going to wet her down anymore, because I've already wet her down and let her air dry earlier today. Like, I wanted the curls to be a bit more like defined. I'm just going to wear her like this. So it is very defined. If you see the curl pattern here, curl pattern looks super defined, but it has a lot of volume. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm a sucker for the kinky curly ones. They are my absolute favorite, followed by the Jackie straight one that I tried. I love that one too, but they just look so natural. And these companies know how to do a variety of curl types so well. Like, they nail it. And this color just screams fall, but all year round, all year round. Very pretty. So this is what we got going on, and I really don't want to put it up. I'm probably not gonna do a half up, half down style, because I feel like it's gonna mess up the shape and everything. I'll probably put it up in a bun for you guys, but I'm gonna try on some headbands. I'm gonna see if I can try these two on. So I got this kente cloth head wrap from Deanna Monet's company. She is a beauty influencer as well, but she also owns like an accessory and jewelry company called Monet Dior Couture. And I have bought some stuff from her, like necklaces and stuff, but she was so kind and she sent me this. So I felt like that would be perfect to wear with like a fro. This is cute. Okay, so I hope this works out for me. So the headband that I got, or head wrap that I got from Deanna Monet, is so gorgeous, and you can flare it out to do different kinds of head wraps and stuff. So I'm probably going to experiment with that. This is very, very beautiful. The next one I am going to try on is from Jess the Dragoness. She has changed her name. Her company is called Glee Made. I have purchased probably like 3 or 4 of her masks. She has these beautiful prints that she does. She does head wraps as well. That's what I have here. I have a mask to match this. I actually wore the mask today. She sells actual headbands, not like the wrap. She actually sells like headbands too. So check her out and we'll see what this looks like. And if you don't know Jess the Dragoness, she is also a beauty influencer and has her own company. So you guys see this head wrap. I had to just kind of finesse it because I'm not used to wearing head wraps like this, but she does have like regular headbands with the same beautiful pattern and everything. So I'm gonna try some from her like in the future. I don't have any right now, I just have this one. Very pretty, nice pop of color. While I still have this on, I am gonna use this hair tie here. It's for thick hair. I picked this up, I think, from CVS, but I'll have a Amazon link in case you need it for your own natural hair or for your thicker wigs. Y'all, so I am back. This is what we have here. So I have this headband from Glee Made. I think it looks super cute, and this hair has some presence. So if you are intimidated by big hair, I don't know, y'all, I don't think it's gonna be for you, but it's for me. It's for me. I think it's super cute. So this is the same exact curl pattern as the one I reviewed last month, 3C to 4A, and it's very beautiful. So as far as pros and cons, it's no cons with it. No cons at all. I like this a lot. So I will say though, I have this in 18 inches and it's very pretty. But if you got a shorter length, I think the puff is gonna be like easier to make like a cute little puff. I think this is a cute puff too, but I kind of have to push it in just to get the shape that I want. So if you want to save some money, go with the shorter lengths, like 14 or something like that. It's going to be a cheaper price point as well. So it just works out all around. But that's what I've noticed with curly wigs, with the curly headband wigs, when I put them up in a puff, the shorter the length, it works out better. So this still looks cute. I love this color. I love the texture of it. I feel like it suits me really well. No cons at all, y'all. I don't know, the one that I reviewed last month, that is my absolute favorite, but they are high maintenance, y'all. It does require, just like with natural hair in general, it is a lot of maintenance to it. But I think it's very pretty. Definitely an investment, and I say that in a lot of my more expensive videos. If you see HerGivenHair in the title, you should already know it's gonna be more expensive. So this wig is about $400 or something like that. But the shorter the length, the cheaper the price, and this should be up during that time frame of September 18th through the 22nd, which is when they're having their sale. They do have a coupon code, and they have different like tiers of like percentages and stuff that you get off if you use that coupon code. So if you are interested in this wig, definitely use that. Do I think it's worth it? I do think it's worth it. But if you are somebody who is on a budget and you don't want to quite step into the range of like $300 and $400 wigs, I do have some other options that are very similar on my headband wig playlist, so check it out. And shout out to my Premiere Squad. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If you have any questions that I did not address in this video, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, which is iFancyCupcakes. That's my beauty page. My planner page is Hearts and a Plan. And so is my planner YouTube channel. It's called Hearts and a Plan. And follow me on the Like to Know It app. Just download it and follow me there. Follow me at iFancyCupcakes on the Like to Know It app. It's a shopping, if you don't know what that is, it's a shopping app where you can shop home decor and like whatever I'm wearing, and I post on Instagram and stuff like that. Follow me on there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.